So this video is going to explain to you how to sand fill using a backhoe. What you can see is a backhoe machine which can be used to sand fill a waterlogged area. So it moves front and back, and you use it to sand fill any part that there is water inside. Just take a look at how it is. It comes back, carries the sand, and take it to where the water are to sand fill it as it is going. It comes back again, carries the sand, and takes it to where the water is to sand fill. Make sure you click the subscribe button. Thank you.